What if one of the smartest EV buys in 2026 isn't a new electric vehicle at all? While many shoppers focus on the latest models rolling off the production line, a growing number of buyers are turning their attention to used Teslas, Rivians, and Chevrolet Bolts. And surprisingly, competition for some of these vehicles is really heating up. That's raising an interesting question. Why are people rushing towards used EVs at a time when automakers continue launching new electric models? The answer involves falling prices, improving value, and a market that may be creating opportunities many buyers didn't see coming. Quick reminder, if you enjoy keeping up with EV news, automotive trends, and the technology transforming the way we drive, make sure to follow us. We've got plenty more coming, and you won't want to miss it. There's always another big story just around the corner, so let's take a look at why more buyers are chasing used electric vehicles and what it could mean for the EV market moving forward. Used EVs are making a big comeback, and the numbers suggest this is more than just a short-term trend. Across the US, demand for used EVs has been rising as more buyers look for ways to reduce transportation costs without paying the higher prices often associated with brand new electric vehicles. Tesla remains the dominant player in the used EV market, but models from Chevrolet, Hyundai, Ford, BMW, and several other brands are attracting growing interest as well. Recent data shows just how quickly things are changing. Used EV sales reached more than 42,000 units in April of 2026, marking a 16.7% increase from a year earlier. At the same time, available inventory has become tighter, suggesting that these vehicles are spending less time sitting on dealer lots and more time finding new owners. So what's driving this renewed interest? A big factor appears to be rising gas prices. As fuel costs climbed during the first half of 2026, many drivers began looking more seriously at alternatives that could lower their long-term expenses. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. When gas prices rise, the idea of charging at home instead of filling up at the pump suddenly becomes a lot more attractive. That shift in thinking is showing up online as well. Automotive shopping platforms reported a sharp increase in searches, listing views, and buyer engagement for used EVs after fuel prices began climbing. In some cases, interest in used EV listings jumped nearly 50% within just a few months. What's especially interesting is how quickly consumer sentiment appears to be changing. Not that long ago, concerns about charging infrastructure, battery life, and resale value were making some shoppers really hesitant about electric vehicles. Today, many buyers seem far more willing to consider a used EV as a practical daily driver. The sales figures reinforce that trend as well. More than 42,000 used EVs were sold in April alone, with Tesla accounting for about 16,000 of those sales through non-Tesla dealerships. Other brands also posted strong results too, including Chevrolet, Hyundai, Ford, and BMW. Together, they point to a market that is becoming increasingly competitive as buyers search for affordable ways to enter the EV world. And perhaps that's the biggest takeaway so far. Used electric vehicles are no longer viewed as a niche option for early adopters. They're increasingly becoming a mainstream choice for drivers who want modern technology, lower operating costs, and a more affordable path into electric vehicle ownership. And when it comes to the used EV market, one brand still stands well above the rest: Tesla. According to recent sales data, Tesla remained the clear leader in April 2026, with more than 16,000 used vehicles sold through non-Tesla dealerships. That put the company comfortably ahead of other brands, including Hyundai, Chevrolet, Ford, and BMW. Tesla's dominance isn't particularly surprising. The company was one of the earliest major players in the EV space, and millions of its vehicles are already on the road. As more owners trade in older models, buyers gain access to a larger selection of used Teslas than almost any other electric brand. But Tesla isn't the only name benefiting from rising demand. Several other popular EV models have seen notable strength in used markets, including the Tesla Model X, Tesla Model S, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Chevrolet Bolt EV. In many cases, stronger demand and limited inventory have helped support resale values. That trend is especially noticeable in segments where supply remains relatively tight. Lower volume vehicles, such as Rivian's R1T and R1S, can see increased competition when buyer interest rises. At the same time, more affordable EVs are attracting shoppers who want to lower their fuel costs without stretching their budgets. As demand has increased, prices have started moving higher as well. The average used EV listing price reached nearly $36,000 in April, reflecting stronger buyer activity and tighter inventory levels. Available supply has also become more limited, with used EV inventory turning over significantly faster than it did just a year ago. Of course, even with rising prices, many buyers still see used EVs as good value compared to purchasing a brand new electric vehicle. And that's where the Chevrolet Bolt EV enters the conversation. The Bolt has been gaining renewed attention because it offers one of the most affordable ways to get into the electric vehicle market. While it may not generate the same headlines as Tesla or Rivian, its combination of practicality, efficiency, and lower ownership costs has made it increasingly attractive to budget-conscious buyers. In many ways, the Bolt highlights what's happening across the broader market. As fuel prices rise and more consumers compare electric vehicles with traditional gas-powered cars, interest in affordable, used EVs is growing rapidly. What we're seeing isn't just a surge in demand for Tesla, Rivian, or the Bolt individually. It's a sign that used electric vehicles are becoming a much more competitive and appealing option for everyday drivers looking to save money or making the switch to electric. But here's the big question. If a used EV can save you thousands of dollars, would you choose it over a brand new model? For many buyers, that's becoming a much easier decision. As prices remain high across the auto market, used electric vehicles are offering an affordable way to get modern technology, lower running costs, and impressive performance. But what about you? Would you buy a used Tesla, Rivian, or Bolt? Or would you still rather spend a little bit more for a brand new EV? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I'd love to hear your take. Now, let's have a look at which models are seeing the strongest demand and why buyers are competing for them right now. So why are so many buyers willing to compete for used EVs in the first place? A big reason is simple economics. While electric vehicles can sometimes cost more upfront, many drivers see them as a way to reduce expenses over the long run. Unlike traditional gas vehicles, EVs have fewer moving parts, which often means less maintenance. There are no oil changes to worry about, and routine service is typically limited to items such as tire rotations, inspections, brake checks, filters, and a few other basic maintenance needs. The savings don't stop there. For many owners, charging an EV costs significantly less than regularly filling up a gas tank. And when fuel prices start climbing, that advantage becomes even more noticeable. Drivers who can charge at home often benefit from even greater convenience and lower operating costs. Features like regenerative braking can also help reduce wear on certain components over time, further lowering ownership expenses. When those savings add up over several years, it's easy to see why more shoppers are taking a serious look at used EVs. But affordability is only part of the story. One of the most unique aspects of modern EVs is that they can continue improving even after they're purchased. Many electric vehicles receive over-the-air software updates that can enhance features, improve performance, update interfaces, and refine vehicle systems without requiring a trip to the dealership. In some ways, owning an EV can feel a little like owning a smartphone. The vehicle you buy today may gain new capabilities months or even years later through software updates. That's a major reason why tech-focused buyers continue to show strong interest in used EVs. Even older models can offer modern features, advanced technology, and an ownership experience that continues to evolve over time. And when you combine lower operating costs, reduced maintenance, and constantly improving technology, it's not hard to understand why more buyers are deciding that a used EV may be one of the smartest purchases on the market right now. That technology-first approach is becoming one of the defining characteristics of modern electric vehicles. Many EVs from companies like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid are often described as software-defined vehicles. In other words, they rely heavily on computers, sensors, and software to manage everything from driver assistance features and infotainment systems to energy efficiency and vehicle performance. Because of all that, some EVs can continue gaining new features and improvements long after they leave the showroom. It's one reason why many people compare them to computers on wheels. Rather than remaining largely unchanged throughout their lives, these vehicles can evolve through software updates, making used models more appealing than many buyers first expect. Of course, no vehicle ownership experience is perfect, and there are still some costs buyers need to be aware of. One of the biggest is insurance. While EVs can save money on fuel and maintenance, insurance premiums are often higher than those of comparable gas vehicles. Advanced technology, expensive battery systems, and specialized repair parts can make certain EVs much more costly to insure. That's why experts recommend comparing insurance quotes before buying any used EV. The actual ownership cost can vary significantly depending on the vehicle, driver profile, insurer, and the location. And that's really the key takeaway from all of this. The growing demand for used Teslas, Rivians, Bolts, and other electric vehicles isn't being driven by any single factor. It's the combination of lower operating costs, rising fuel prices, improving technology, and increasing consumer confidence that is bringing more buyers into the market. For many shoppers, a used EV now offers something that seemed difficult to find just a few years ago: an affordable path into modern automotive technology without the price tag of a brand new vehicle. Whether this trend continues will depend on factors like fuel prices, EV supply, and future technology improvements. But for now, one thing is clear: used electric vehicles are no longer an afterthought. They're becoming some of the most sought after vehicles on the market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more EV news, automotive insights, and the latest stories shaping the future of transportation right here